Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new hodler. Now I know this was going to be episode 4, so it's going to be about hardware wallets, but I decided to take a break from that for now. I'm going to be posting a new type of content starting today. In our series, Mate, we'll be talking about latest happenings around the world of cryptocurrencies. You see, start गर्नुको reasoning चाहिँ I want to be able to have common people like ourselves understand these happenings and trends better by covering the latest hypes, explaining cool gadgets like lasers and stuff, as well as industry and regulation news. In short, I intend to pretty much deliver news revolving Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies. Now, to start things off, you might have already heard about Tesla announcing their plans to purchase $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoins. We just got both long term hurdlers and new ones like myself very excited for the days to come. In this video, we'll be talking about Tesla's game changing announcement, what will change after this, and we'll be looking into one particular cryptocurrency that started out as a meme but has now taken the world by storm. So Monday साँझतिर I was scrolling through my Twitter feed and I saw a post from Tesla's official Twitter handle. त्यो पोस्ट चाहिँ SEC फाइलिङको बारेमा थियो. SEC भनेको चाहिँ Securities and Exchanges Commission. अब त्यो फाइलिङ गर्नुको रिजन चाहिँ आफ्नो इन्भेस्टर्स र आफ्नो अरू रेगुलेटर्सहरूलाई एउटा ट्रान्सप्यारेन्ट पार्नमा इन्फर्मेसन दिनु हो. टेस्लाको त्यो SEC फाइलिङ पछि they announced that they were buying $1.5 billion worth of bitcoins. As a result of which, take a look at this graph here. The value of one Bitcoin was hovering around $50,000, and within 30 minutes of Tesla's announcement, that value skyrocketed, covering almost $6,000 to $7,000 in a mere 30 minutes. It continued to rise about $62,000 the next day and has since had a very small correction. At the time of this recording, it is sitting pretty nicely at around the $58,000 mark. So what does this all mean? So from what I believe, this year is going to be incredible for Bitcoin. टेस्लाको यो इन्भेस्टमेन्टले चाहिँ अरू मेजर कम्पनीजहरूको इन्भेस्टमेन्टको लागि बाटो बनाइदिएछ. For example, take a look at this list of the most valuable assets in the world in terms of market caps. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Facebook, यस्तो कम्पनीजहरू अब के हेर्छन् भने टेस्लाको इन्भेस्टमेन्टलाई हेरेर they will want to invest in some quantity themselves. As more and more of these major companies make their own respective purchases, the previous prediction of Bitcoin reaching almost $200,000 by the end of this year suddenly seems a lot more feasible. And why will the price go up is one major question everyone asks me. So we know Bitcoin is a limited asset. Currently there are about 21 million Bitcoins and this value is a sharp constant. There's no going higher than that. That means the more people and companies buy these Bitcoins, the higher the value will be. Now it's a guaranteed appreciating asset, meaning its value will only rise over time, unlike your car or your phone or your bikes, etc. To whoever's watching, I'm going to say this again. The best time to buy Bitcoin is now. Going deeper into this Tesla announcement. Tesla keep पनि announce गरेको छ भने they'll be accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. On your screen right now is Tesla's SEC filing, which states that they have purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and they are expecting to be able to let customers buy their products using Bitcoins. यसमा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा चाहिँ के छ भने बिटकोइन थ्रु आफ्नो प्रोडक्ट्सहरू बेचेर त्यसलाई US डलर्स र यस्तै कुनै करेन्सीमा कन्भर्ट नगरी होल्ड गर्छौँ भनेर भनेको छ. This means that they may sell some Bitcoins to generate profits and stuff, but they are not going to empty their reserves and walk away, as they know how valuable this will be to their company. Now let's talk about a cryptocurrency that has seen a 1600% increase in its value since its creation and has pretty much been the talk of the town for the past few months. Couple months, let's say. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Obviously Dogecoin, it can't be anything else. Now let me tell you this. Dogecoin started off as a joke and it was based on a meme that everyone came across. I'm pretty sure more than 10 times a day back in 2013, 2014, something like that when it first started. It was based off another cryptocurrency called the Litecoin. Like I previously mentioned, Dogecoin increased by over 69% since the start of this year. Here's a couple of reasons why. On 8th of February, it became one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on market value. अब किन अर्को कुनै क्रिप्टोकरेन्सीको साथ डोजकोइनले यो ग्रोथ पायो त? 2013 मा यसको इन्सेप्सनसँगै रेडिटको फोरम्सहरूमा यो करेन्सी almost immediately फेमस भयो. लन्च भएको फर्स्ट विकमै डज ह्याड अ मिलियन भिजिटर्स. त्यसपछि पनि डजलाई अझै भ्यालुएबल बनाउन डिफ्रेन्ट ट्रेन्डहरू पनि चलाइयो. टिकटकमा यो डजलाई US$ लेभलमा ल्याउन एउटा क्याम्पेन जस्तै नै चलाइयो, तर लाइक एभ्री अदर ट्रेन्ड इट क्विकली ड्राइड। रिसेन्टली चाहिँ रेडिटमा गेमस्टपको स्टक इन्क्रिज गराउन एउटा मेजर क्याम्पेन चल्यो। बन्द हुन लागिसकेको त्यो कम्पनीको स्टक अल अफ अ सडन गेमर्स र सोसियल मिडिया इन्भेस्टरहरूले गएर धेरै नै ठुलो मात्रामा त्यो स्टकहरू किनिदिए, जसले गर्दा हेज फन्ड्सहरूले आफूले बेचेको सेम स्टक अझै धेरै प्राइसमा किन्नु पर्यो। उनीहरूलाई बिलियन्स अफ डलर्स घाटा लाग्यो, जसले गर्दा एक्सचेन्जेस लाइक रोबिनहुड एक्सेट्रा ब्यान गेमस्टक स्टक्स फ्रम बिङ ट्रेडेड। स्टक ट्रेडिङ ब्यान भइसकेपछि अर्को रेडिट ग्रुप सातोसी स्ट्रिट बेट्सले त्यो ट्रेन्डलाई मिरर गरेर अर्को ट्रेन्ड स्टार्ट गर्यो, विच वाज बाइङ स्टक इन डोजकोइन, पार्टली बिकज इट वाज अ मीम but mostly because it is a cryptocurrency under no one's control and the bar of entry was like really low. भन्नाले हामी जस्तो इन्भेस्टर्सहरूले पनि सजिलै किन्न सक्ने क्रिप्टोकरेन्सी भएकोले डोजकोइन became the chosen one. अब यति मात्रै नभएर in my eyes the god of tech right now, Elon Musk called Dogecoin probably his favorite cryptocurrency ever, and then regularly shared content from Satoshi Street Bets भन्ने Reddit forum about him holding the Doge, telling people that Doge is people's crypto and stuff like that. And Dogecoin also found support from other celebrities like Snoop Doggy Dogg, Kanye West, and Gene Simmons, Kisko vocalist, which helped increase its value in a constantly rising trend. Dogecoin to the moon भन्ने campaign अझै पनि massively hyped भइरहेछ, where people are trying to get its value to $1 per Dogecoin. At the time of this recording, the Doge is sitting nicely at around 0.098 for one Dogecoin. Now, so you buy it then? Now, what you have to know about Dogecoin software and the tech behind this cryptocurrency is that it hasn't been updated in almost 2 years now. But with that said, its lead software developer, Ross Nichols, had just said that he has a lot of requests to make changes for another huge update, so it is going to be updated sometime soon. Dogecoin is pretty easy to get into. You could buy $10 worth or even $1 worth of Dogecoin and you could watch it grow every day. It's kind of fun, trust me. Bitcoin को चाहिँ total supply 21 million छ भने जस्तो Dogecoin को चाहिँ कुनै पनि supply cap छैन. You can mine Dogecoins using your computer and your GPU graphics card. This basically means that there will be about 5 billion new Dogecoins added to the supply every year, on top of its current supply at 128.20 billion. त्यति धेरै छ Dogecoin वर्ल्डमा, as per CoinDesk. अब लिमिट नराख्नुको रिजन चाहिँ डजकोइनको फाउन्डर ज्याक्सन पामाको भनाइअनुसार डजकोइनको इन्फ्लेसन रेटको कन्स्टेन्ट रिडक्सनको लागि यो लिमिट राखिएको हो. इन माई ओपिनियन डजकोइन विल नेभर गेट टु द हाइट्स अफ बिटकोइन सिम्पली बिकज इट्स इन्फिनिट. जति पनि निकाल्नु मिल्छ, जति पनि माइन गर्नु मिल्छ, विच फिल्स अ लट लाइक मनी. इफ वान सिम्पल ट्विट, एउटा सेलिब्रिटीको एउटा सानो ट्विटले यसको भ्यालुमा यति फ्लक्चुएसन आउँछ भने थिङ्क अबाउट इट. One bad tweet will get it crashing down. मेरो सजेसन चाहिँ invest a tiny amount and let it grow, rather than investing your savings into something that came out as a literal joke and hasn't been updated in a while. Infinite supply, यस्तो कुराहरू. I'd say if you can, invest a tiny amount like $10, $50, even $100 but nothing more than that. Now, in another news, the Central Bank of Kenya has made a proposition to its government to switch to Bitcoin as its primary currency. People will be paying bills and stuff in Bitcoin. They will be getting paid in Bitcoin. They'll be using Bitcoin to do their grocery shoppings and stuff like that. It is going to be the main currency if this proposition passes. It's crazy, right? Now here's what the central bank's governor said today. The governor believes that Bitcoin will shield Kenya from foreign exchange losses and will help lower the debt as the price of Bitcoin always appreciates. This is huge. Kenya could be the first country to do so, and I'm pretty sure more governments, other governmentहरूले पनि चाँडै नै यसलाई follow गर्नेछन्. This will cause an uproar even bigger than Tesla's announcement. I'm guessing there will be a time when owning one Bitcoin will be like having a pretty good social status, I'd say. Okay, with that said, this will be the end of today's video. I hope you learned a lot more from it like I did. I'll be back in the next video, which will be a little different than what we do here. It will be a giveaway of a hardware wallet. Now I'll be more specific with you. It will be a giveaway of a Ledger Nano X. More on that on the next video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you staying till the end, as it motivates me as well. Additionally, you can sign up to Sweepstakes using the referral link that I put up in the description and start investing. Now, if you're a hodler like me, which I know you are, please consider joining our Telegram group. It's also called the Noob Hodler. I'll put the link in the description. We are a fun bunch. We love to have fun. We banter a lot. We obviously talk about Bitcoin, talk about investments and stuff. So it is fun. And that's it for today. See you in the next video. This is Bibusan, the Noob Hodler, signing off.